YouTube, it's been a while. I've had a delivery, so I thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing or unpacking. I've ordered a beehive for my upcoming future honey production. I've already started unwrapping it and I thought I'd grab the camera. For anyone that's interested, costs a lot of money to have sent stuff up. So I didn't think that was too bad really, considering almost 18 kilos and the size of it. Well packed up in that. Ordered this on from a Facebook online store, Southwest Bee Supplies in Western Australia. That's pretty much the closest supplier of bee products, beehive gear and bits and pieces to where my block is, where the off-grid system is. That's why I chose to use them. It's a shame it's not smell-o-vision because there's beeswax foundation included in this, and all you can smell is the beeswax. So this is basically a complete beehive with the exception that it only has wax foundation for 8 frames. It's an 8-frame beehive. There's 2 supers. And the reason why I've gone 8-frame is because I've got a flow hive super, so there's no much point getting 10-frame hive here when my flow hive won't suit it. It's a metal queen excluder. Just thought it would last longer than a plastic one. There we go, shameless plug. No affiliation or kickbacks or anything. Just happen to be the most convenient people that like I said, closest to where I'm going to be setting all this up. There's all the frames, which all needs to be assembled, and I'll probably do that in other videos. Just for the sake of it, there's hundreds of YouTube clips on people assembling frames and hives and bits and pieces, and I'll just add to it by putting my own up. So these are just all the frames, bits and pieces. They'll all need to be assembled. The supers will need to be assembled. The bottom board needs to be assembled. And there's the wax foundation, which smells absolutely amazing. There's only 8 sheets of foundation because I only need to fill the bottom box with foundation, as the top box is going to have the flow frames in it. And last but not least is the lid. Can't complain about the packaging, there's enough of it. So there we go, that's pretty much everything. That's the telescoping cover, there's the inner cover, upside down of course. That's the base, which needs to be assembled. So the bottom board, they're the feet, which I won't use. And that's pretty much everything that's in the box. So over the next few weeks I'll be assembling this, and I'll do a couple of videos of me assembling that stuff, putting it all together. I did order a base from the flow hives, a screened bottom board, which I've already pulled apart and re-glued together and screwed, was just nail gunned together and it was all loose. Wasn't happy with it, considering it cost 90 Australian dollars and $28 postage from Queensland. Which is almost as much as this complete beehive kit without delivery. So there you go, that's about it. Like I said, over the next few weeks I'll put up some videos of me putting all this together. And I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.